In this video, we are going to learn Gantt charts in Excel. A Gantt chart in Excel is a powerful project management tool that usually represents the schedule and progress of tasks or activities over time. It provides a clear and organized view of project timelines, task dependencies, and resource allocation. How to create a Gantt chart? Gantt charts are widely used in various industries to plan, track, and manage projects efficiently. In Excel, creating a Gantt chart involves using the built-in feature and functions to represent project tasks as horizontal bar on time-based axis. Each task is assigned with a start date, duration, and end date, allowing for a comprehensive visualization of project milestone and deadlines. A chart is then customized with colors, labels, and additional data to provide further insights. Let's go to your Excel file to understand how to create a Gantt chart. I have a simple table here with the project names, start date, completion days, and their completion date. We don't need the completion date for Gantt chart, but we can just keep it for our reference. To calculate the completion date, it's Workday International. Let's select Workday International, and it requires a start date, which is this, and the completion days. If a weekend is on Saturday and Sunday, we can select one. In my case, the weekend is on Saturday and Sunday, so let me select it as one. If the company has a different weekend, then we can select from this combination and enter that number accordingly. For now, I'm just entering one and close the bracket. And now I have my completion date here. Let me select the start date range and go to Insert and select Recommended Charts. We don't have anything as Gantt chart here. To get the Gantt chart, we have to go to bar chart first. Select the stacked bar chart. Click OK. We see that the bars are not arranged in a proper way as per the date. To get this sorted correctly, let me select the date range. Go to Data and sort it from oldest to newest. Now we have our Gantt chart arranged in a correct order as per the dates. Let me select anywhere on our bar chart and select Data. Here I have my start date range here, and here my horizontal axis is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me edit this and select the project names. Click OK. And let me add another legend series to this. Series name would be completion days, and the series value would be these days. Click OK. Now we have our stacked bar chart like this. This blue area represents the start date, and we have this orange as our completion days. This is the number of days that we have here. Let me expand this chart. We have all our project names in our horizontal axis here. Let me select only the blue ones, right click on it and make it as no fill and no line. Now we have only these sections for completion days, and we don't have the start date showing up here. After removing the coloring for start date, we see that these sections are unused. From March to May, we don't have any data. So let us remove these range. Let me select the range as 15 May 22. Now we have our tasks starting from 18th of May and ranging till 23rd of August 2022. And this is for 7 days, 25 days, 8 days, 12 days, 16 days, 11 days, and 9 days here. You can remove these grid lines if you want. Go to the project name section here, right click, format axis, and click on categories in reverse order. Now the date has shifted to the top row, and now we see that our projects are being highlighted for these particular range. This way, with the help of Gantt chart, we can understand the project status and how long is it going to take and the completion timing. Let's move on to our highlights. Gantt chart provides a visual representation of project tasks and their timelines, making it easy to understand the overall project structure and process at a glance. Gantt chart help identify critical parts and understand how change in one task can impact the entire project. With Gantt charts, project timelines can be efficiently managed by adjusting task duration, dependencies, and scheduling.